Our population is growing, our resources are running out, and hygiene is now more important than ever. We're facing a perfect storm on two fronts: climate change and recovery from a global pandemic. Things have to change: the way we live, the way we work, and the way we plan for the future. The time for talking is over. We have to take action now. Novaloo enables businesses and organisations to save water, money, carbon and improve hygiene by supplying the Propelair toilet system, available through a range of sustainable funding options, product packages and comprehensive support plans. Manufactured in the UK and ideal for both new build and retrofit, the Propelair toilet is designed specifically for heavy footfall locations, reduces water use by up to 84% and improves washroom hygiene and safety for users by reducing aerosolised contaminants by up to 95%, including COVID-19. During these uncertain times, we make Propelair attainable through simple finance options and product packages so that you can build back better with confidence. Rest assured, our expert team provide full service support, from initial planning and cost-saving projection, allowing you to see the savings you'll gain, through to supply, install and ongoing maintenance. Toilets are one of the largest users and contributors towards water waste, and we flush clean, treated, filtered drinking water away with every flush. Toilets that use far less water can make a massive difference to this problem. The time for talking is over. We have to take action now. And by installing Propelair toilets, you will save money, energy and carbon while significantly improving hygiene for your staff, clients, customers and patients. Water is a finite and crucial resource. Don't waste it. Talk to Novaloo today.